To a primetime news follow-up now, weeks after health workers staged a protest at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James, a non-profit organization has stepped in to ease overcrowding by expanding bed space at the public health facility. Antonia Atkinson has the details.
Patients on beach chairs and makeshift beds, a situation that has become a commonplace at the Cornwall Regional Hospital. This was made worse after Hurricane Melissa, which left it short of 157 beds. Addressing a press briefing on Saturday, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton provided this update.
Half of that number is now restored, and those beds are in place, 75 or so, and therefore we are 259 or 75% of the pre-hurricane count, which places us in a much better position than we were 2 weeks ago. I did also tour A&E, and the numbers there were less than I saw 2 weeks ago. I think maybe by 50%.
The A&E department, he explained, saw a little over 3,000 patients for the December to early January period, an increase of 5% when compared with the same period last year. 1,100 patients were admitted, with the average length of stay being 8 days. According to the health minister, the capacity challenges currently being experienced will ease significantly when the rehabilitation work of the 7-story facility is completed.
We are aiming for a 2026 completion. We're working aggressively for that. But we are hoping to engage significant areas of the building before the full completion. The two most significant areas of the building for me, actually I'll say the most significant area of the building to be reoccupied before full completion for me is A&E. And the reason for that are as follows. A&E, the current A&E that is now being built out will be at least 3 times the size of the A&E now, which is the Mount Salem Clinic.
In the interim, 2 non-profit organizations, the United Mission Coalition, have donated to address the capacity and resource constraints facing the public health facility.
When we came to Cornwall and we went there and we saw what was there, Dr. Roz Shimonson filmed for me standing there in what was supposed to be the maternity ward. I could hear off to the side babies and mothers, and there was an open to the sky, insulation laying everywhere. It was horrible. And then to see the nurses recently protesting about, hey, we're resuscitating people on the floor, this is going on.
This initiative includes a 10,000 square foot ballistic rated medical dome, engineered to withstand a Cat 4 hurricane. This will provide up to 100 hospital beds and support that is very critical. Along with the dome, this effort includes hospital beds, mattresses, critical medical equipment, x-ray systems, autoclaves, and clinical support. Medications, bedpans, the community and the outreach that we have had has been incredible in the United States to step up, to fill that list that Dr. Yates wanted.
The dome is expected to arrive in Jamaica by the end of February. Antonia Atkinson, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, the health minister revealed that work on the children's hospital out west remains slow.
The conversations that are taking place, however, is that they should speed up. There are some signs of more workers to come after the Chinese New Year, which is normally a very big holiday period for Chinese nationals. And that would be, I think, just after February, March, right? Yeah. And we will be working to try and see how quickly they go. Now,